Hello and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. We are very happy to have you back. Today we're going to talk about Clickfunnels, the affiliate program secret no one talks about. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. We're going to talk about Clickfunnels today. So what are Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels are basically an experience of buying, right? It's basically a way to sell a product and offer other products and make sure that the people that are interested in your products or are already have showed interest in your product stay, or you push them to buy something, right? So this is the page, the web page for Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is it's a program, right? It's a service, right? They have 123,000 users, 1 billion contacts, 7 million funnels, and 6.2 billion processed, right, in money. You can watch the video right there and it'll explain it a little bit better. But basically, we're gonna talk a little bit about what's a funnel. So a funnel is a place where you add the info and then you build the value of your page, right? You show them why your product is valuable, then you connect the money and you stay in touch and you keep selling to those people. Now ClickFunnels gives you the tools and strategies you need to in one convenient spot, right? Basically, this makes it very simple to sell a product, especially a digital product, because it helps you create a web page specialized directly to selling, and then on top of that web page specialized directly to selling with things that have already been proven and tested. They'll also help you manage all of the information, and they'll help you carry along with your company as you acquire contacts, and then they'll help you stay in touch with those contacts, because they might not buy today, they might not buy tomorrow, but they might buy in a month. So make sure you check out this webpage, make sure you go into the webpage and you check out the video and all of the information in here. Now let's go over here. I want to talk a little bit more about what ClickFunnels are. Now, what is a ClickFunnel? A ClickFunnel is about automating an entire sales process, giving you the power to control every stage of the buying journey, right? So the buyer is gonna have an experience, and you're gonna be able to control it to help the buyer get convinced to buy your product, right? Now, it's very important to notice too that it makes leads and securing those sales super simple. So it used to be harder. You had to create your web page, you had to make sure that what you put in your web page was good enough and that people were gonna like it and they were gonna buy it. But now it's gonna help you make it super simple. And basically, a sales funnel is an all-in-one solution for your online marketing. It's a tool, guys. It is definitely a tool that's gonna help you track along and build your online community to which you're gonna be selling to, right? And depending on the action people take when they hit your landing page, they will be entered a sequence of marketing messages, right? So this is so that you can guide them to buying, and if they leave without making a purchase, you can retarget them with a downsell, right? So basically what this helps you do is say, all right, well, here's our product and here is the best way we can show it to you. You still don't like it? Well, how about this thing? Or maybe you do like it, you want to buy it. How about this other thing? Maybe you want to add it too, and if you buy both of them, it will be cheaper. So ClickFunnels, as I said, is a service that's gonna help you manage your social media marketing. It's gonna help you manage your sales for your product. Now, what else can we do with ClickFunnels? What else would be helpful off of ClickFunnels? What else could we use ClickFunnels for if we don't have a product? Well, we could sell ClickFunnels. Let me show you right here. ClickFunnels here has an affiliate program, right? So the affiliate program means that you are able to sell ClickFunnels and you will earn a commission every time you sell ClickFunnels to someone. Now, if you are involved in the affiliate marketing world, if you are currently practicing affiliate marketing, if you are taking up the offer of people for selling their products and earning a commission. For example, here you can earn up to 40% in monthly recurring commissions with ClickFunnels, right? So that's every single sale, 40% commission. So that's a really good amount. That's almost half of what the person is paying, and you are going to be making money without having to have a product. So if you are in that whole affiliate marketing business, you know how helpful this tool can be for other people, for other entrepreneurs. So this is a very good product for you to promote, a very good product for you to sell, a very good product for you to share with other people, right? So make sure you check it out. Make sure you check out this page. Make sure you look at the videos and read the information over. And if you have a product you need to place somewhere so that you start getting leads and making sales, ClickFunnels is the way to go. Also, if you don't have a product and you want to sell something and you don't know where to start, this is an amazing deal. This is an amazing product that you could be offering to people. If you know any entrepreneurs, if you know people who are trying to get products off the ground, you can always find new products that are coming out that you could help get off the ground. So make sure you share this with them and you could earn money too. So thank you very much for watching. We are very glad that you watched our video. We hope that you enjoyed it and we hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment down below if you've tried affiliate marketing, if you tried ClickFunnels, and what do you think about them. And also please make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you want to learn new ways to make money online, make sure to stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.